Happy Friday, everyone. I'm Ann Birchard. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I like to create crafting connections one card at a time. Today's card is going to be a Slimline card. So here are the dimensions. It's 7.5 by 8.5, and we're going to fold it in half. So it's now 3.5 by 8.5. Get out your score. I can't find mine. Use this one. Get a nice crease. So sit back, relax, enjoy the music. And before we start making a card, I just want to brag on my daughter. She's 9 years old. She used the best wishes, the two little witches, and then she colored using the Stampin' Blends. I love it. We'll see what she does with it from there. So anyways, sit back, relax, enjoy the music. Like I said, in the description is all the supplies that I use to make the Slimline card. Let's get busy. there's my Slimline card. Pretty much the designer series paper is doing all the work. And I feel like I need another rhinestone. Sorry, stand by. Just looking a little blank right there. There we go. And we need odd. Done. Okay. So the designer series paper is doing all the work. Decorated the inside. Decorated the envelope flap. And I have a little bleeding here when I use the undo. I'm okay with that. It kind of gives a cool little effect. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you next week. Bye. Happy Friday, everyone. I'm Ann Birchard. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. And I like to create crafting. Oh my gosh. Start again.